Hi there. Hope you're all doing really well while staying safe inside. Today I want to talk to you about something which is very close to my heart and really important to you. It's about believing in yourself and trusting yourself more than anything else. I know. I'm sure you would have heard this a million times. I'm sure you would have heard that we need to understand that we are awesome. But I don't want to make it a motivational conversation today that, oh my God, you have to hear this because you are truly beautiful. Today I want to tell you this because it's really important in the volatile world that we are living today, where so many things are completely ambiguous. We don't really know what's coming up, and there's so much of uncertainty around us. A lot of people have lost their jobs, the businesses have collapsed, and it's not easy at this moment. The most difficult question is what's next to people who have already lost their job or they are struggling in what they are doing. How I look at this situation today is that today what world needs is exceptional quality of work. Exceptional means exceptional. It's good is not great and great is not exceptional. Is something which you have to really understand. And I'm asking you to be yourself and believe in yourself, because over the years, while managing businesses, managing teams, and being an entrepreneur, I have recognized and realized that something which has helped me deliver exceptional work is only when I have been myself and I have let my team be themselves. Let me explain you what do I mean by this. You know, we try to do a lot of things which is given in a job role or a particular job requires. And we can do it. Trust me, the job can be marked as done. But it is never great work. And that is where the problem begins. It's really important for you to know your interests, to understand what you are interested in, to understand what you love doing, your style of working, and just talk about it very candidly. Because if you don't do that, if you overpromise, then you are going to underdeliver. Because if you overpromise and an organization hires you, or maybe you start a business hoping somehow you will be able to do it better, you will soon realize that it's not worked out for you. It's important for you to be yourself. While being yourself, when you start doing, you automatically produce exceptional results. And that's what the world is looking from us today. So guys, don't take this as a motivational conversation. It's not for that. First, acknowledge your strengths, understand yourself, know what you are best with, and just be that person. Because no one else can be better than that in who you are. God hasn't made two people very similar. Believe in Him. He knows His job very well. And let's not try and compare and compete against each other. Because we can never get better than the other one. Because we can only get better with who we are. I hope you find this valuable. Share this video to someone who needs it more than you. Thank you for learning and thank you for listening. This is Tanmaya Goswami from Fashion Business Consulting.